Alright, so I've just been for a ride in Melbourne's beautiful autumn weather. Nice coating of dirt and grit and sludge over my bike. And yeah, just been using the Quad-Lock phone case. And this has actually got the poncho cover over it at the moment. Phone case and bike mount, that is. There you go. Bought the iPhone 6 case. Just got it cable tied to my stem. And well, basically it works awesomely. What can I say? I mean, there's probably 100 other reviews of this thing on the net, but it's always handy to have a few extra if you're thinking about buying one. Yeah, I mean, as it says on the review, on the page itself on the Quad-Lock website, I can activate the phone, but because I've got a glass screen protector on my phone screen itself, it won't work through the poncho case as well as, you know, this glass screen protector, so I can't type any buttons. But it does protect it from getting wet and dirty, as the rest of my bike has gotten during this ride. But, you know, that's alright. You can still just pop that off. And a tip, because even though you seem to get a bit of moisture under there and you can't get this thing off, there's a bit of suction there. So if you just put your finger up under the screen and pop that up, then that helps just wheel it off. I tried for ages just trying to pull it off from underneath and behind, and it was just stuck on there without possibly ripping the case. Yeah, so it's not a whole lot to say other than it's a really good thing. It's pretty expensive for a few little bits of plastic, but I guess there's plenty of other phone cases around that are about $50 Australian and don't do a whole lot of them, just case of the phone. This worked out to be about, I think it was $62 or $72, because there was a 10% discount on the 10% discount on the page. So yeah, you can also get the stick-on pads, which I haven't used, but apparently they use the 3M VHB tape, which is pretty amazing tape actually if you clean it properly. Yeah, go ahead, get yourself one of these if you're willing to chip out a bit of money. It's kind of expensive for like what I said, just a few bits of plastic, but nonetheless it works really well. There's absolutely no way that phone's coming out, because that actually that blue bit actually locks it in and stops your phone from turning. So you actually got to push that down and then spin your phone. So there you go, it pops out, and then you push it back in. There you go. So you push it in, it pushes the blue bit down, lets it spin, and then the blue bit clicks in and locks your phone in position. Absolutely no way that's going anywhere. Alright, hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.